Till I realized I'm a god. Think I heard a bit when I murder shit. In a moment I'll be taking off a tourniquet. When I burn him and I hit him in the sternum, I don't even gotta enter, but I'm gonna win the tournament. That's what I'm all about.
Savoring this moment, is this the last goodbye? Then we learned each other, I guess one of us lied. So please just pull away, I can't look you in the face. I don't wanna have to lie, I wanted this love to survive. Now when I look in your I feel paralyzed.